Hi everyone, good morning. I'm here with my patient who's going to do hair restoration with me shortly. First of all, I'd like to thank him for this small video. So how are you doing? Yes, alright. So my patient is 34 years old, and then he's going to tell a little bit about his experience with his hair loss.
So I've been facing hair loss over a couple of years previously, and then because of that I also tried to find solutions outside, medicated shampoos, vitamins and so on, but none of that worked. So while I was looking for a possible solution, I found Dr. Inder's clinic as well as some of the testimonials. So here I am, and then I'm confident that I'm in good hands, and then down the road as time goes by, hopefully after the procedure, I'll be my hair will be restored, and then it will bring back my confidence and everything.
Yes, congrats to you. You've given a very real testimonial feelings like why you decide to do this and how you choose a doctor is very important. Choosing Dr. Inder, number one, I'm very experienced over the years. If you have looked into my testimonials and reviews over the years, because hair restoration is a long learning curve. He has seen my before after pictures of 4 years, 5 years of my patients. It's not just keep on just showing pictures or just done the hair restoration, but many doctors do that manner. You need to be very experienced. Number two, the risk of choosing a doctor is the American Board of Hair Restoration Diplomat. So Dr. Inder is one of it. So in that way, you're so lucky, you're in good hands. So I'd like to again thank you for this video. Thank you for being so supportive.
No problem.
Alright, okay.
Thank you for the treatment as well. And I'm confident that I'm in good hands. So, yeah.
Yes, I'm stuck with Dr. Inder and her team and to my patient.